Hey, how's it going? Today, we're gonna go over how to draw Mirabel from Encanto in a chibi form, okay? It's gonna be a chibi version. Really simple. This is gonna be the easiest thing you've done all day. But yeah, that's pretty much it, okay? We're gonna have a color version at the very end, so stay all the way to the very end of the video. That is all. Let's jump right into it, okay? Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Mirabel. And I kind of already said that in the intro, so anywho, let's kind of keep going on this, all right? Or let's get started on this chibi version of her. Cool. So Chibi's different. We're gonna give her more of a square head right here. So I'm gonna pull down for this left side of the head. Curve underneath, up. Circle for kind of the earring that she has. Line over here, top of the ear. And let's go into kind of just the hairstyle that she'll have. So again, we have so Chibi's like big heads, right? So curve here for one side of the hair. Over here for the other side. Over here. Right here. Zigzag. Curve underneath. Line up. Over here. And I'm gonna go, so basically she has like this wavy hair pretty much. So right now I'm gonna go over here to the top, right there. So you can see kind of the parting of the hair. Gonna go over here, same thing. Kind of some wavy-ish going on, but mostly I want to remember that the parting of the hair is right here because she's turning a little bit to the left. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw. I post 3 times every single day. So lots and lots of drawing lessons. So absolutely please subscribe, make this the video, subscribe. And if you like learning how to draw this, you like learning how to draw anything like Godzilla, Pokemon, tons of stuff. So let's continue on with this chibi version of her. So I'm gonna go over here and that waviness is gonna keep going down here. Going up. Over here on this side, same thing, waviness going up. Curving underneath. Underneath. Over here underneath. Underneath. But her body's gonna be tiny. Remember, this is a chibi version. So I'm gonna hold it there. I'm gonna go over here to the eye and draw the far side eye. Curve. Curve underneath. Go over here on this side. Curve. Curve underneath. Over here. Over here. Over here on this side. So we have these big eyes, right? Big eyes for the head. And now I'm going to draw the curved over here, the inner eye. Curved over here, inner eye. Draw a circle in that, because this is the chibi version of her. And I am going to honestly probably just fill in the entire eye like this. Because she has brown eyes, dark brown eyes, so it's easy just to fill it in totally dark. Gonna go over here, maybe add some eyelashes. You can either do no nose, but I'm gonna do a little nub of a nose right there. See, just like a curved line. Smile. And then right here underneath, they have a curved line underneath that. Line over here, curved line for the tongue, and then I'm gonna fill in this part. Cool, cool. Gonna go over here to her eyebrows. For the most part, they're just normal eyebrows. Now let's draw her. I'm gonna wait to draw like, well, okay, let me do the glasses. I was gonna make them green though, honestly, because her glasses are green. You know, I'm just gonna take the green line now, even though I'm gonna do the colored portion later. I'm just gonna take a green marker. You can do this, by the way, in a black marker, but I'm gonna do this in a green. Just for this, I'm gonna draw. Ooh, that's not the right green. That's like aqua, and a more green. Where's a green? Line. Let's just do this aqua. Line here, circle, big circle, maybe even near her eyebrows. Yeah, right here, right there, over here on this side, right here. You can do that very easily in black. I just chose to do it in the green because her eyes are green. You know, the glasses are green. Let's go down to her dress. Line down here, little tiny neck, right? Chibi version. Out for the shoulders. Curve underneath. Line out. Curve. Line out here, curve line in, line here, line in, line for the rest of her arm. First thing I should have done though is go over here and draw the long skirt she has. She has this long Colombian skirt. Over here. Wiggle. Line over here for the rest of her arm, her little arm. Line over here. Little tiny arm, and I'm gonna draw maybe like her hand right here, almost like a claw, and then I'm going to draw an extra finger in the back, or two. Same thing over here. I draw two fingers. I draw the thumb and the main finger, and then I draw little finger in the back there. It's an easy way to draw hands. And if you want, you can draw like a, what is this? A butterfly. Real tiny one right there. See, it looks more like a X shape. With two little tags coming out the front of it. Go over here. Finish the hair. Make it wavy there. And that's it. There we go. That is Mirabel Madrigal from Encanto in Chibi format. That is very Chibi format. So, all right, that's it. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Stick around for the color version. I'm about to color her, and stick around for the announcement after that. See you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.